Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can make the best bubbles with your slime. Like these really good... So basically just the really good popping noises you hear out of slimes. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So of course, take your slime, any kind of slime, and you'll want to roll it on anything. After you roll it, you want to stretch it. After you stretch it, you want to take it with your arms and just do this, basically. Then pull it all together. Those are some good poppy noises, right, Luna? And Luna loves to play with my slime too. Right, Luna? Alright, that's how you make the best poppy noises with your slime. Hope you like it.